as we watch the sunset on the glistening harbour. It just sums up what has been the most amazing Moana Auckland festival. We started with the open mic competition and Leftovers, who won that competition, and they're opening for 660. We had the Sustainability Expo at the Viaduct Event Centre here, and amazing to see the conservation groups and sustainability charities and everyone doing their bit to try and care for that ocean health, which is so critical to who we are as people. Right here on the left, you can also see the PIC Harbour Classic boats. These are amateur yachtsmen who have been out there today having an amazing regatta, and they're all staying in overnight. We have the Moana Auckland Long Lunch at the Park Hyatt, and that's raising money for an amazing charity, Kiwi Harvest. Followed by the Auckland Boat Show. It's on every year, an amazing annual event showcasing the best of what you can buy. We've just had the Z Manu finals. We've had 138 competitors from all the corners of New Zealand come to Auckland to take part in this great competition. You know, it really fills you with pride in what Tamaki Makaurau can offer. As a destination event for Tamaki Makaurau Auckland, we could not ask for more. It showcases who we are as a people, how much we love the ocean, and how much we want to celebrate summer here in the city. We look forward to bringing it back in 2026, and it's going to be bigger and better, and we want more people to attend, so come and join us here in the city and make it your place to be.